You're looking at someone building a wall, not with bricks, not with concrete, with old car tires and dirt. This is how Earthships are built. Homes that need no heating, no cooling, no utility bills. Homes that survive earthquakes and last over 1,000 years. And the foundation of the whole system is this: pounding earth into tires to create thermal mass walls. But if you've seen this done before, you probably saw massive sledgehammers, exhausted builders, brutal back-breaking labor. And you probably thought, I could never do that. Here's the thing. What you're watching right now is the easy way. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. Let me show you how this actually works. You need 4 things: a tire, a lever, a stone for your fulcrum, and a light hammer, around 2 kilograms. Hook your lever under the side wall of the tire, resting it on the stone. When you push down on the lever, it lifts the tire and pulls it open, stretching those steel belts apart. This is the key. With the tire held open by the lever, you swing your hammer and pack the earth down. Your hammer isn't fighting against the resistance of rubber and steel anymore. The lever is doing that work for you. A 2-kilogram hammer now does what a heavy sledge used to do. Pack one section, release the lever, rotate to the next section, and repeat. Lever, pack, release. Lever, pack, release. But there's a second gift in this technique. When you release the lever, the tire wants to snap back to its original shape. It pulls inward. And as it does, it adds its own compression to the earth you've just pounded. The tire itself becomes part of the compaction process. You're not just working smarter, the tire is working for you. Keep adding earth, keep packing. The tire should bulge on both sides when it's properly filled, around 130 kilograms of earth per tire. The result? Rock solid. Packed just as tight as the sledgehammer method, if not tighter. A fraction of the effort. This is work you can do day after day without destroying your body. Now, why go through this at all? What are you actually building? Something extraordinary. This single tire, once filled and pounded, becomes a building block that will last over 1,000 years. That's not hype, that's been tested. It stores heat like a battery, flexes during earthquakes instead of cracking, never rots, never burns, and it costs almost nothing. The tires are free. The earth is free. Here's how the thermal battery works, because this is where it gets beautiful. Sunlight streams through south-facing windows and hits the back wall. The dark surface absorbs that energy. Heat moves deeper into the wall through conduction, 30 centimeters, 45 centimeters, creating a thermal gradient. At night, the wall releases that stored heat back into the room, slowly, steadily, all night long. Peak sun at 2 in the afternoon, peak heat release at 8 or 10 at night, exactly when you want warmth. No thermostats, no furnaces, just physics doing what physics does. Now I know what you're thinking. What about the risks? Let's handle these quickly. Toxic off-gassing requires heat, oxygen, UV exposure. Packed in earth and sealed behind plaster, none of those conditions exist. 40 years of Earthships, 0 documented health problems. Fire? No oxygen means no combustion. These walls are more fireproof than conventional construction. Contamination? A moisture barrier separates the structure from the ground. 4 decades of testing. No contamination. 0. The fears don't hold up. But here's what does. Tire walls need no foundation. The weight creates stability through mass. Earthquakes? Traditional buildings fight them and crack. Tire walls flex as a unit and survive. And the thickness happens to be the ideal depth for thermal mass. Engineering perfection by accident. So what does this mean for you? A few months of this work, using the easy method I just showed you, creates walls that keep you comfortable for life. No heating bills, no cooling costs, no utility payments, ever. Compare that to 40 years of working to pay those same bills. Which is actually more labor? And this requires one skill: swinging a hammer. No special soil, no perfect weather, no years of training. Beginners contribute meaningfully from hour one. Here's the bigger picture. We create over 1 billion waste tires every year. They fill landfills. They burn in illegal dumps, releasing actually toxic compounds. This technique turns that waste into homes. Problem becomes solution. So let me bring this back to where we started. The sledgehammer image, the suffering, the exhaustion. That's what stops people from building their own freedom. They see the hard way and think, that's not for me. But now you know the easy way. Lever, stone, light hammer. Let the tire do the work. This is how it's actually done. Freedom from utility bills. Freedom from the cycle of working to pay for comfort that could be built into your walls from day one. One tire at a time. Building something that will outlast us all.